Okay, first and foremost, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you and extend my sincere gratitude for your presence here during your such a short notice. Actually, the conference was called, the main agenda of the conference is that Meghalaya will be conducting a statewide civil defense mock exercise. That is tomorrow, 24th April 2026. The mock exercise on air raid and blackout will be conducted in all districts of the state, involving all important stakeholders such as the Air Force, Army, the police, the State Disaster Response Force (SDRF), Home Guards, CD wardens and volunteers, etc. The name of the exercise will be termed as ARMEX, which is Air Raid Mock Exercise Part 1, so ARMEX 1. It will be conducted in two stages. Namely, stage one will be comprising of simulation on search and rescue operations, fire response, evacuation, and even medical response extra because we'll be roping in all these health departments as well as power departments, even the SDMA and DDMA. Stage one will commence from 3 p.m. and we intend to conclude it at 4 p.m. And stage two basically will consist of the blackout, which will be for 2 minutes from 7 to 7:02 p.m. So in stage one, the civil defense sirens will be sounded at 3 p.m. Noon in all districts of the stage to indicate the signaling of an air raid and
Ban ai kublai pi na kaliang jong ka Department of Civil Defense and Home Guards like for ban bat chimpia ban wan hagani ka press conference te ka jingmu hi jong kani ka press conference bangi khot kalong ba nginyo ban penchai syaki syaupai ba sepang kani ka mock exercise ka bangin le lashai kata kalong south trip jong banai April yayong kani ka mock exercise kandi ka mock exercise ka ba ka bangin le halor ka air raid lane ka jing ka attack no lane ka jing thombor na sun beneng na ki nongshun foreign countries any foreign country mo kanunu ka ri ka ba long nongshun ni kari India kamut kani mock exercise kade ya kata ka phang barbor ngi jule namata ujumai Andre kani ka sin ngile halor ka jing thombor naki kiri ki banabar lingba ki lingsun lingba ki missiles but kumbangi la syam hakini kitma barang sudap ka sendur ka Iran waru ngilap baki la penon kamru ya ki drones te ya kani ka mock exercise ngila ai kerteng ka Armex 1 but ya kani ka mock exercise ngin le artli ki bentah haka bentah ka beningkong ngin yo ban le yaki search and rescue operations ngin le yaki fire response ngin le yaki medical response ha keleng ki districts jong ka state mo hangi hanong ba shalong ru ngin le bat ha keleng ki district jong ka jela ngin le ikini ki search and rescue operations kini ki yu kani ki bentak beningkong dan ka stage 1 katakan sedang kumbai laong isa menne kan katakan sedang hakapor lai beje kan pa ka siren jong ka civil defense ban peni ba kalawan kani ka jing her thma jong ki nongshun te ha bakumta kemut kan sedang kani ka kemut uni umisail kumbangila kani ka scenario jong ini ni ong ba undon we umisail uban lan ban impact hante ha 101 area di cendon saki drone spot ki ban attack hakeleng ki benta jong ka sor shillong kuma shillong ibu poini sot hotel lai mukra ka Saint Edmunds College ka Saint Anthony's school di kani ka stage 1 ka kini di ban saja di nadu lai beji kan sedang kani ka operations ban yo ban yarap ikini ki ba sitom ban yo ban penlaj ki brio ban penlip ding benta teter di hakapor sau beji ban na kan sadon ka all clear signal part kani ketika berkom ka fair part jong kani ka air raid siren jong ka civil defense siren mo dia katakan peni pat ba uni unong shun ula lekhai biang dan lane ka kani ka air defense jong ka India kala la ban ban tackle kan yaki tekemut bakam dan syuk athrat tekemut kala akut kani ka operation Dia baru ki operation kan kun nanti baru kini ki bayar sementara ingin saya yalang hakani ka State Emergency Operation Center bangin yok ban apa dia ka debriefing ke por South Siteng. Dia hakani ka stage 1 ku ban ong yapi ki ka jigi sementara kalau along baik ke bala pelan lupa. Mo di pajba kim don bentah hakani kani kalau along baik ya ki tenat ki baper ki ban ya senrop lang ki ban ya snok ki lang bat ke department jungi ban le kani ka mok exercise kabenta ka bakongsan hakabangi don kam hai ka jing ya trilang jong ki pajba abangi don kam ya jing ya snok tilang jong pajba ka de ka stage 2 hakabangin penlong ya ka blackout exercise ka blackout exercise ka thong jong ka long ba dakaba pinlip ya ki light barok haka nongba haka borok benta jong ka jela ni penpulom no ya ka jing temu jong unong shun kan aba uwan ban hair ka airspace ni mo ban penhap bom ne ban penjulor ya ki jaka beper ka nong ba jungi keniat ngila ban penpulom no eka jeng temu jong ki dak bangi pendep light baki ni ki nong shun kimla ban yo i mo di takadau kalong ka ba kongsan hudu tata ba hakani for bangi le kani ka blackout exercise ipat ba borok ki di ban yisnok tilang dak ba pendep ya ki light ha kayeng pendep ya ki inverter nanta kanu ka source of illumination mo kanu ka jingshai ke jing tebe ikini boro habdi ban pendep no nang bangin la ban achieve kata ka total blackness total blackout mut salon sar boro ki jaka kan yong ti kata kan ban sedang ya kata apa kade ka signal kade ka air raid siren kan ka bangin pensawa lingba ki siren ki bangila adon ha boro ki district hakapor nyo buje dikata ka siren kan ne ko bashi minute bat ngan sapin sengap ya pi hadien ka kalong kumno kata ka siren mo di ondal adep si minute pi la ya ki pajba baro ki la isno tilang bangi ki la ya pendep ya ki light baro di hadi hakapor nyo lala ar minute pat ngan sapin pat ya ka all clear signal katar kolong daka wi daka sur jong ka siren ti kani kumba arminet bat kani pat kan peni ba uni unong shun don shu kan uni unong shun don shu kajing thambor bat ki pat ba ki la ban beteng biang ki kam ki jam jong ki ti kemut haga por nyu lala arminet pat upat ba baro un pendep ki light mo ti ngakwa ban pensai hang ni ba ya ki pat ba kim di ban long husiar kim di ban tieng lane ban ra ki khubor ham saya gemta namar kani kalong kamok exercise lane kajing kajing hikai bat kajing pun kre le si yo don ki kini ki attacks kini ki jing thombor hadin habot ma ublei hi unum sha hi kata tang balong le si lada don pat kum kita ki attacks kum bangila idang shell aka operation sendur ka la don kum kini ki jingja ti upat ba udi banong bala kre upat ba udi bandong batip bakai ka kamram jungu ka bo unle bo un yada yala dia mo amar kadi na benta ka jing bha jung u upat ba hi bo un save ka life la jong dita kadau ka jing snok ti lang jung upat ba ka jing yesim benta lang jung upat ba kalong ka bakong san hadu ka tata